FRP Bypass Redmi Dweller C. Let's fix. You don't know your Google account. Click the Use Google account instead. Here you don't know your Google account, so let's fix a problem. Come back again. Turn off your phone. When you connect to the PC, press the down volume button and up volume button. Open the Unlock tool. Select the MediaTek. Click the generic mode. Click the Erase FRP. Now press the down volume button and up volume button, also connect to the PC. Please wait a few minutes. Successfully work completed. Now you want to set up your basic settings. Thanks for watching. See you next video.